Welcome to our channel.
This is Camlin.
And this is E.
And we're here today
to learn about stuff.
What stuff are we going to learn?
We're going to learn about technology and Frozen and computers.
Yes. So wait, say that again. What are we learning?
We're learning about technology and computers and Frozen.
Yes. Technology, Frozen, and computers. Eve. When we talk about Frozen and you think of
Watching?
Let It Go, the song, what comes to mind?
Saying.
Can you sing it?
Let it go. Let it go. I actually go sing it Frozen too.
No, we'll get there. Don't do that one yet.
What?
We want Let It Go. We want to start with Let It Go, right?
Let it go. Let it go. Human anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Human anymore. Here I say, and here I say, journey done. Who back anyways.
Nice job. High five. So, it's Frozen. Think about the time that's going on right now.
Well, we go check this.
No. You gotta stay in your seat. We're almost done. This is what it's like to film with a 4-year-old. But this Let It Go. We're in a kind of a new situation here when it comes to learning. Yeah, totally new situation where students are at home, everybody's at home, and we have all this technology.
Yeah.
But we also have to let go of what our traditional way of learning. Like let it go like Elsa did in Frozen 1. Right?
Frozen
but
2.
then, now we're getting into Frozen 2.
Frozen 2!
And the best Eve's favorite song from Frozen 2 is
the
Into the Unknown, right? Can you give us a little taste?
Let it
No,
into the unknown. Into the unknown. Show me and throw me.
Good job, Eve. High five again. Mwah. No high
High
five?
five kids.
So now we're delving into this world of the unknown because we've never been in this situation where students are at home all the time.
Yeah.
And teachers.
And teachers and moms.
Yes, that's
like
right.
My mom is like teacher. She comes home and pick up me.
Yes. So Eve and I here, over the course of the time off, we're going to be making videos about things you can do.
And like a number.
Yeah, well, anything using technology, and teachers can learn how to do stuff. Students can learn how to do stuff.
Not me.
Parents, you can learn how to do stuff. We're going to do stuff with you. So stay tuned. We're going to be coming with more YouTube videos.
And always subscribe. Do you know what to do? Stay up and share love you. Woo!